Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to factory reset Sonos Sub. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. In this case, there are a few steps that you need to do here to probably factory reset your Sonos Sub here. So first is you need to unplug the Sonos Sub from the power. Now you can either disconnect it from the wall, outlet, or unplug the power cord directly from the unit. Make sure that the LED light on the device is up before moving on to the next step. Now, for the first and second generations of the Sonos Sub, there's just one button on the device. If you have the third generation, look for the infinity button. Now, from then on, press and hold the button. Keep holding it as you proceed to the next step. This is crucial for starting the reset process. Now, while you're still holding the button, plug the Sonos Sub back into the power source. Continue holding the button down as you do this. Now, after you're connecting the power, the LED light on the Sonos Sub will turn on. Keep holding the button until the light changes to green. This usually takes about 10 to 15 seconds. You might see white or orange lights before it turns green, so just keep holding until you see the green light. And once the light actually turns to green, you are now good. So it is now reset. But in this case, that's about it. So, hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.